As we continue our tour of the ecosystem of breaches, we get to services. Services are an interesting concept because we know that services are actually many different things. In a pristine world of modern architecture, we have isolated microservices that can come online and go away as needed and have their own wrappers for security. But we know that we're still dealing with mixtures of architecture with a mix of some microservices, some full stack architecture, and we may even have legacy systems that we're talking to. And these systems, be they the legacy systems or the full stack or whatever, over time they seem to develop odd little back doors, ways that people can get in there. And one of the challenges with that is once you're in, you're in. Because most of these services, especially in a mixed architecture where you have some PHP and some Java and some .NET, some microservices and some full stack development, you're going to have some sort of homegrown security that's going to be different on each one of those, and often means you have vulnerabilities that you're not considering. And those vulnerabilities are particularly problematic in the world of the data center, where we feel that anything in that data center can be trusted. And we need to think of things in a zero trust environment. There should be no anonymous access. That is to say that just because service A and service B are sitting in the same network, they shouldn't be able to talk to each other willy-nilly. And that even means that services should have identity. So service A should have not only a pair of keys that we know that service A called to service B, but it should have a set of permissions specific to that service and, better yet, specific to the call that it's doing in that context. And then if service A asks service B to call out to service L, we should have some sort of logging that shows that service B didn't just, for no apparent reason, go gather some information from service L. It should be recording the fact that service A requested something from service B, which cascaded to another request. And this internal service communication is what will lead us into networking.